Who's that kitty coming down the street? Is that little Miss Dixie? It sure was. Is she gonna be walking right close over here? Huh. So the chickens up there that I put in, they are being a little bullish, just like anything when you add new stuff to any type of herd or flock or colony or anything to that sort. They tend to have a seniority on everything, so there's definitely that going on. And my bucket I stuck in there for some reason. I don't know what happened, if something on it's broke or what, but it leaked all the water out. So when we get back from getting some chick feed for the meat birds, I'm gonna have to fill that bucket up because I don't want anybody falling in it and drowning like what has happened before. So with that being said, I feel like it will be okay until we get back. And on the dinner menu is sirloin steaks. They're just little sirloin steaks and some chopped potatoes in the oven. So we'll be eating that when we get back after we get our meat birds fed.
Come on, boy. Come on.
He's trotting.
Come on.
Jazzy's like, stay back.
Come on, Herc. Come on, Herc.
He's like, I'm done.
Come on. Come on, Herc. Simon.
They want handouts. He's gonna give them some of the alfalfa that he it just irritates me, but you know. He claims he only gives a flake. But when you give a flake to each horse and you got 7 horses, that's a half a bale. I can hear Odessa talking. She's like, I want some brought to me too. I'm getting a little irritated with them because they want to stand right in the way when he goes to try to put the hay in there. See, Hurt gets 2 himself. Oh, I guess not. He did get 2, and then he'll put 1 in the middle. Now everybody should be quiet. And it's got to give some to Miss Jill over there. She don't care. They act like they don't get nothing to eat. But they have an 800-pound bale down there in the feeder. But you know, they're spoilt rotten. He's petting Jill. He's getting big, that's for sure. See the sun's going down with some clouds in the sky. It was a beautiful, beautiful day today on April 22nd. Tomorrow is supposed to be a pink moon, so we'll see what that is for the 23rd. But you guys probably won't see this till the 24th. Yeah, get himself brushed all off. And there is dinner. How beautiful is that? Sirloin steak and roasted potatoes. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. Thank you to all our new subscribers, and we will see everybody tomorrow. Till next time, God bless.